Attorney General Andrew Bailey is accusing St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner of neglecting to do her job as prosecutor because she's spending time in graduate nursing school at St. Louis University. Our Missouri Chief Capitol Bureau reporter Emily Manley joins us now live to explain these latest developments in Missouri's case to remove Gardner from office. Emily?
Well, Mandy, Attorney General Andrew Bailey said late this afternoon that if Kim Gardner wants to be a nurse, she needs to stop being the circuit attorney, saying that Gardner is putting lives at risk in the city of St. Louis by not doing her job. Now, all this information of Gardner going to nursing school is coming from a subpoena that was filed by Bailey.
If the circuit attorney wants to be a nurse, she needs to cease pretending to be a prosecuting attorney.
Missouri's top prosecutor says it's against state law for the St. Louis Circuit Attorney to take nursing classes while in office.
She's breaking the law by willfully refusing to discharge her official obligations. Going to nursing school is not one of her official obligations, and she's missing court and failing to discharge her official duties, at least in part because she's doing other things.
The subpoenas filed this week were in part of a motion filed by Bailey back in February to have Gardner removed from office, saying she's neglected to do her job.
And within the past 2 weeks, several more of her assistants have quit and walked away from the dysfunctional office.
Bailey's subpoena requested SLU turn over all documents of Gardner's class schedule and other items. Another subpoena went to the Family Care Health Center demanding video, emails, and records showing Gardner coming or going from the facility since January.
Obtaining a nursing degree is not one of her official duties. Prosecuting criminals is.
This comes as the Missouri Supreme Court appointed a new special prosecutor for the indirect criminal contempt cases against Gardner and one of her staff members. Allison Schreiber-Lee, a former assistant circuit attorney in St. Louis, is the new prosecutor in the case. In the case to have Gardner ousted from office, Missouri Supreme Court Chief Justice Paul Wilson announced Wednesday Thomas N. Chapman will serve as the judge in the Attorney General's suit after Gardner's office asked for a new judge. The Circuit Attorney's Office issued a statement saying she believes the issues in our criminal justice system often relate to our broken healthcare system, and staying current on her nursing training advances her mission at the Circuit Attorney's Office. The Circuit Attorney has done this at a great personal cost to her time with her family and loved ones. Any suggestion that she is not fully committed to her duties as Circuit Attorney is blatantly false. The first deposition of the comptroller's office, the city's budget office, is set for tomorrow. The comptroller will be at deposition later this month. There was a trial set for the end of September for Bailey's case to have Gardner removed from office. Reporting live tonight from Missouri State Capitol Bureau in Jefferson City, I'm Emily Manley, Fox 2 News.